Hi everyone, it's Christine Josty from Mail Something Pretty, and I'm doing something a little bit different today. I wanted to show you how Stampin' Up! Has decorated my house for Halloween. Okay, so I can't seem to make the camera reverse, so pardon my filming skills. This is the coffin wreath I actually showed on my website the other day. Let's see, I'm gonna get all backwards here. But they are made out of the individual coffin boxes. Oh, this is what I'm trying to show you too. The bow. So see all the different coffin boxes. That was fun. It took, 24 boxes to make that. And I have step-by-step picture tutorial on my website. So you can see how that was done. This here, oh, let me find it. Here we go. This little hat, which reminds me kind of the sorting hat from Harry Potter, was a kit a few years ago. But I bring it back every year to put it up because I just love it. It's a lot of fun. And then up here on the mirror, I'm gonna turn this way. I have this garland or banner. It says, you can see the whole thing, spooky. That was a kit from a few years ago as well. And it had these canvas banner shapes, and then it had all the medallions, and you just put it together. So that was a lot of fun. And I'm just gonna step through here to show you, let's see, this card actually, where is it? I put on my, on my website. Actually, last night I did a post. And then this is I think the name of the post was to create your own stamp with the die cutouts. So I explained it all, but she created a stamp out of the cutout of the spider. So someone had mailed that to me. I'll show you my mantle, although I don't think anything is from Stampin' Up there, but it's kind of fun. And then this is not this is Stampin' Up, not Halloween, but this is a wall hanging. Oh, sorry, I have to figure out how to do this camera. So it's a fun little home decor that they had a few years ago. I'm hoping that they'll bring some back. So I have one more wreath from Halloween. That was a kit, again, a few years ago, and it's glittery and sparkly and fun, and this fun little spider up here. And so I think, I'm just looking around, I think that's everything that was Stampin' Up related anyways, that I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Visit me at mailsomethingpretty.com and be sure you get onto my email list. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Bye.